categorize IAM password policy. As you can see here, in my root account, so root user has MFA because I've actually configured MFA. I'm going to be deleting it and also show you how we can do that. So first of all, let's explore. Um, so I'm actually in my IAM. So let's go to security, account settings. So if you go to account settings, go to let's look at password policy, right? You configure the password requirement for the IAM user. So you can just read this, blah blah blah. So let's actually edit this. So the first there are actually two options here, which is IAM default and custom. So in IAM default, we have all these requirements here, the default card, the default one, and in the custom, you have this guy. So you can actually edit this, a minimum character. You can edit it to be, you can put 30, depending on what you want, right? So here you can actually tick mark all these guys if you're interested in it. So you require at least one uppercase letter, right? This one is lowercase letter. This one is at least one number. This one is non-alphanumeric character, which is this guy, right? So other requirement is as follows. If you can turn on password expiration, you say that you want your password to be expired every 30 days, every 30, 60 days or 90 days, right? Or password expiration requires administration. You can actually tick mark this. So if you tick mark this guy, turn on password expiration, you can actually put how many days. You can just put 45 days or you can put 90 days and say every 3 months your password is going to expire with another password. Alright, so you can just do these things and just tick mark all these guys. Now let's actually talk about let me cancel this. And now let's talk about two-factor authentication in IAM. Alright guys, let me show you how to add MFA. So just go to your root account, you click on this root account. So you go to your security credential. So you want to set up two-factor authentication right now in an AWS account. So when this opens, you'll be able to see, say, my security credentials, root user. Alright, so when you come down to this multi-factor authentication, you'll be able to see there is one added here, which is this card. So I've already set up MFA security. So right now I want to remove it so that will show you how to do this. Alright, so to remove it, just click on this guy and click on remove. So I've removed this guy here. So as you can see, what I'm saying here now is you don't have MFA assigned. So as a security best practice, we recommend you assign MFA. So to assign this MFA, you can click on this guy. So when you come to this place, you put your device name. Let me put my device name. Let me call it Vathos. So when you come to this place, you select your MFA device, just like I explained in the theory part. So you can select passkey or security key. You can select authentication app. You can also select hardware, blah 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 token. All right. So, but now I want to select authentication app. So you go to next. So when you go to next, you'll be able to see your authentication apps. First of all, you can see a list. You can see a list of compatible applications. So let me just open this guy here. Can be able to see the list. So here it says what is MFA. So you see the explanation of MFA. So available MFA method for IAM. So you can read this. Passkey and security keys. You can read this. So here it said virtual authentication app. So we actually have for Android. These are the apps we have for Android. Apps we have for Android, and for iOS. These are the apps we have for iOS, right? Which is for iPhone. Which is the one I'm actually using now. So I will be downloading this authentication, right? So go to your let me open my phone here. So let's come back here. So as you can see, I have opened my phone. So this is the app you'll be using, this auth here. So just open your app store. So just download this auth app. So this is it here. So you can see I have it already. So once you click on it, once you install it, just open it. And just click on open. And when you click on open, just click on this plus. You'll see something like this. So when you see something like this, you have to click on this place. When you click here, when you click here, just click on scan. So you can now scan this guy here. So after scanning this guy, you can click on save. So now it has given us your token expires in 20 seconds. So let's put the first token here, which is 705, then 580. So once you are done, you wait for the second token to be generated. Say wait 30 seconds and enter a second code entry. So let's wait. So another token has been generated. So let us put this code. Sorry, 339 and 247. So once you are done doing this, you add this guy. You say add. Wow, that's great. So as you can see, it's the MFA device assigned. So you can register to blah, blah, blah. So you can just read this. So when you come down to this place, you see that multi-factor authentication, like you say one has been added. And this is actually the one we just added. It's actually the one we just added. So if you want to remove this, just I have taught you, can click this and it will also remove it. Alright. So let me actually show you right now how to log in. So how this is going to behave. You want to log into your root account. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm going to log out. From my roots account so that I'll show you how this works. So let me say sign out. So right now I'm actually in my root account. So I just put my email address, which is this guy. When I click on email and you hit continue, there's a problem, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So let's fix this. This is my root. This is my email. So now I'll put my password. Put my password. Now it will tell us to put our MFA code. So what you do is to enter your app, your Optic app, or whatever you're using. So once you enter there, you see code there. So just put the code. So just so as you can see, I have successfully logged in to my AWS account. To my AWS root account. So this is how MFA works. This is how my configuration of MFA works. And I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.